$100 on the table. Now ask yourself, what does this $100 think of me? Nothing, because it can't think. It's a piece of paper. Yet your entire life is shaped by what you think it can do for you. And that's the problem. Whether it's $10, $100, $1,000, or even $1 million, the paper doesn't change. You change. And that emotional reaction is exactly what keeps people broke. Today I'm going to show you the one shift that flips that relationship forever, and why wealthy people see money in a completely different way. The real problem isn't money, it's you. Most people think money has power. They act like money can judge them, reward them, punish them. But money is neutral. Money is obedient. Money is just a tool. It's you that gives it meaning. You panic when you lose it. You celebrate when you get it. You fantasize about what it can buy. You attach your identity to the numbers. You don't realize it, but money is manipulating you because you give money the power to manipulate you. Rich people don't do this. They understand that money is a slave, it's not a master. And most people don't struggle financially because of strategy. They struggle because of emotion. They fear of losing money. They are guilt about spending more money. Ego when they have a little bit of money. And insecurity when someone has more money. And none of this is financial, it's emotional conditioning. That's why someone can make $5,000 per month and stay broke, while someone else can make $50,000 per month and still feel broke. Because money isn't the issue. Their relationship with money is. So, respect money but be indifferent to it. And this is the paradox nobody teaches. Respect equals understanding the function of money. Indifference means not giving it emotional power over you. And when you respect money, you don't waste it. You don't gamble it. You make it work for you. You understand its role in wealth creation. It's a powerful tool. When you're indifferent to money, you make rational decisions. You're not scared to invest. You don't panic. You don't chase short-term dopamine. This is why wealthy people look so calm. It's not the money, it's their attachment level. Money doesn't own them, they own it. For wealthy people, money is fuel, not validation. It's a tool, not a status symbol. It's a system, not a score. A responsibility, not a show-off. That's why they handle larger amounts easily. Their nervous system isn't shocked by seeing more zeros. $1 million to them feels the same as $100 feels to you. Not because they're numb, but because they've removed emotion from the equation. There's only one metric that matters. Poor people ask how much money can I make. Rich people ask how much money can I control, can I allocate, multiply, and protect. So wealth is not about income, it's about relationship. How we treat money, how money responds to you, how money flows through your life, whether money feels safe in your hands. Think of money like water. It flows to the lowest emotional resistance. If you panic, fear, or worship money, you create blockages. Here's a few practical steps to shift your mind to think bigger. First, detach emotions from numbers. Whether it's $50, $50,000, your behavior must remain the same. 2. Stop treating money as status. Money is a tool, so don't give it personally. 3. Invest before you feel ready, because ready is emotional, it's not logical. 4. Track your net worth weekly. When you measure something objectively, fear starts to die. 5. Learn financial literacy. Wealth grows when understanding grows, when you're knowledgeable about it. 6. Expose yourself to large numbers, view them often, study them, bid for things above your level. Normalize thinking bigger. 7. Operate from discipline, not excitement. Because excitement burns money, discipline multiplies it. At the end of the day, money isn't alive. It doesn't judge you. It doesn't choose you. It doesn't care about you. You're the one giving it meaning. But once you learn to respect money intellectually and stay indifferent emotionally, you unlock the one thing most people never experience, which is control, calmness, power, and real wealth. And at that point, the money finally starts listening to you. Tell me in the comments what part of this changed the way you see money, and if you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned because we're just getting started. Catch you in the next one. Bye.